It's really important to have the tone from the top that compliance is integral to the way that the people operate at an organisation. But also we need to make sure that the individuals are aware of their personal responsibilities, and critically that it's a strength to consult. Consultation is not a weakness. In fact, it's one of the key things in our compliance area, to consult when you need help. I would love to make every piece of eLearn or mLearn that we roll out really engaging for our users, to the extent that weeks, months later they remember the key messages that we've delivered, and that they're chatting with their colleagues in the elevator to say, do you remember that piece of eLearn where we had to do some interactive engagement? Wasn't it powerful? Wasn't it memorable? And also that they bring to life the key messages that they learnt in the eLearns in their day-to-day life. Not just a one-off exercise and completion of eLearns, but using those messages throughout their daily life. The biggest blocker has to be time commitment. We all work in very pressurised roles, having to meet very tight timelines and deadlines. We realise that people are busy, but we need to make sure that their team leaders and their leadership team empower them to spare the time to create or to perform the learning that they're asked to do.